What's going on, everyone? Sebastian here from Crypto News, bringing you the best crypto content on a daily basis. Today, I'm going to show you how people are making a fortune using the Binance Launchpad. Now, why is this so important? Well, simply put, I know you guys love to hear about good investment potentials, and when I come across something so powerful like a Binance Launchpad, I have to make a video just to share how powerful a platform like Binance is when it comes to crowdfunding startup crypto projects. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. That way, as I release more awesome crypto tips like this, you'll get notified. And remember, folks, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research anytime you invest in cryptocurrency. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. Binance Exchange is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges, offering some of the lowest transaction fees and highest liquidity among other top exchanges in the crypto market. Traders that transact with BNB, which is the native utility token of the Binance Exchange, receive significant discounts on transactions as well as other benefits. These benefits, among others, include the first look access to crypto tokens with great potential, which the exchange makes available to all of its users on Binance Launchpad. The Binance-owned platform, Binance Launchpad, is an incredible addition to the crypto space, which does not only benefit users, but also assists crypto startups in raising funds by offering their tokens to Binance users. It is the pioneer of the widely known method of gathering funds among crypto startups, which is the initial exchange offering mechanism. Prior to the launch of initial exchange offerings on Binance, blockchain projects organized their own initial coin offerings, also known as ICOs, for fundraising towards their project growth and development. However, with the introduction of initial exchange offerings, crowdfunding got to a whole new level with a safe and easy to use strategy that benefits both blockchain projects and their investors. Having established that, let me add that one can gain massively with the Binance Launchpad. If you are interested in learning about the Binance Launchpad, how it works, and how you can make a fortune from it, join me as we progress in this video. So what is the Binance Launchpad? As previously stated, Binance Launchpad is a crowdfunding platform on Binance that assists crypto startups in gathering support for their projects. It aids promising crypto startups with the ultimate goal of helping them in driving awareness and adoption for their respective projects. This they achieve by directing them on how to best launch and advertise their tokens. Binance Launchpad is at the forefront of the crypto industry when it comes to linking investors to new and promising blockchain companies. Since its launch in 2019, Binance Launchpad has raised millions of dollars for over 50 projects, among which there have been very successful ones such as Axie Infinity, SafePal, Alpha Finance, and others. Crypto businesses that have original and unique visions will thrive on the Binance Launchpad, as the team allows project developers to concentrate on projects and product development while the Launchpad team takes care of the marketing, visibility, and the initial user base. When startups qualify for the Binance Launchpad platform, these are the benefits that follow. They get featured on one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges by volume, Binance. This will give such projects exposure to millions of users from all around the world. Such projects eventually have high liquidity in several trading pairs. Binance offers protection for both users and crypto projects. There's no worry about the fundraising being a target for attacks from bad actors. When the cryptocurrency is eventually listed, it instantly gets issued to a huge user base on Binance as they become holders of that coin. There is equitable distribution of initial token offered. With the Binance Launchpad allocation plan, a few crypto holders won't own a majority of the circulating supply. Binance offers complete assistance and guidance to the crypto startup and sees to their growth within the Binance ecosystem. There is potential long-term success for both projects and investors. Apart from the jumpstart Binance Launchpad provides for projects, continued hard work from the developers has led to sustained growth in several Launchpad projects. So here's how it works. Binance Launchpad allows users to commit an amount of BNB towards a token sale. Your final allocation of the new token is dependent on the ratio of your committed BNB against the total committed BNB by all participating users. There is a max cap of token allocation for each user so as to ensure a fair allocation for all participants. A user's 6-day average BNB balance will be his or her maximum participation limit. When the subscription period is running, users can commit BNB from their spot wallet towards the token sale. Participants are free to commit any amount of BNB up to their total 6-day average BNB balance. For instance, let's say you have an average of 500 BNB over the 6-day calculation period. You can commit 500 BNB during the subscription period. After the subscription period ends, all participants' token allocation will be roughly calculated as follows. Individual committed BNB divided by total committed BNB by all participants. This will calculate the total Launchpad tokens to be sold. However, the final calculation is likely to deviate from this estimation as a result of the hard cap per user. Users may only receive more allocations than estimated, but never less. Now, here's the deal. The good thing here is that these coins won't be ready to be traded immediately after they hit the Launchpad. When you redeem them after the distribution of allocations, they will appear on your spot wallet balance, which means that they can now be exchanged on the Binance Spot Exchange trading platform. Before the tokens will be ready to be traded, Binance will notify their users through Binance Twitter or Binance blog. You should make sure to follow them, as the information disseminated from these platforms are what you'll leverage upon. Binance will update their followers even on the exact time the new coin will become available on its trading platform, and this always leads to a massive bullish spike at the said time. And so to make a fortune from your tokens, you need to be alert at that time and ready with your fast fingers to sell off your tokens for massive profits. Keep in mind that the rush won't last forever. You can sell off when it spikes or choose to hold on to them for a little bit longer, but the choice is yours. Now let's talk about how to participate in initial exchange offerings on Binance Launchpad. Participating in IEOs on Binance Launchpad requires users to pass through a registration process. To do this, you need to log into your Binance account if you already have one, or create one. You have to do this in order to access the Binance Launchpad. Once you are in, simply click on the menu icon in the top left part of your screen, and from the drop-down menu, select Launchpad. The projects featured on the Launchpad will be displayed in the center of your screen. Each project will have its status carefully laid out for easy understanding. You will find those that are about to enter the phase of their token sale on the left, with a summary of the essential details about each project on display. This will include the sum supply of tokens for a session and its start time. If you click on a particular project, you will be redirected to a specific page on the platform that contains all the vital information about that specific IEO. The project and general fundraising event are described in general terms at the top of each page. This includes some of the metrics like price, start time, session supply, starting date, and hour. You are expected to go through a KYC process where you will provide some personal information so as to be able to participate in an event on Binance Launchpad. This differs depending on the project. However, there are basic verification processes that most projects use. You'll first enter the required personal information, which includes names and addresses. After that, you'll be required to upload a picture of your ID. The next should be the facial information verification, after which you should technically be done with the process. You may simply have to wait a while for it to be processed. After all of these processes, the next thing is to check when the sales session will begin and prepare accordingly. Keep in mind that each session allows investors to buy tokens using another pre-specified token, and that is BNB. However, note that in-depth research is highly recommended before you invest in any project. Binance Launchpad provides extensive details about each project it hosts. It's best to read the full report on the project you are thinking of investing in. Doing this will put you in a better position to have a successful run on the Binance Launchpad. It is relatively easy to take part in a fundraising event on Binance Launchpad. Overall, the Binance team has gone above and beyond to make participating in launches as easy and as accessible as possible. And interestingly, according to ROI, almost all IEOs so far have provided a reasonable amount of profit to their Launchpad participants. While this is great news, try not to be carried away. It's extremely important that you do your own research on any project you wish to invest in to reduce your chances of making a loss. However, keep in mind that these fundraising events are currently generating a lot of attention. Thousands and maybe tens or even hundreds of thousands of people participate, which means that successful purchases are not always guaranteed. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video resourceful, please smash that like button, as it really does help support this channel. And if you have any comments or even have some successes you would like to voice about your experience using the Binance Launchpad, then share your experience in the comments below. I would love to hear about your successes. Well, thank you again for watching. I'll see you all on tomorrow's video.